Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get your TikTok stream key for OBS and start live streaming. Step 1. Open your browser and go to livecenter.tiktok.com and log in with your TikTok account. Step 2. You need to meet the live stream eligibility. It is usually at least 1,000 followers and no recent violations. Step 3. Once in the live center, click on Go Live. Step 4. Select the broadcast software as your method, and this will reveal your stream key and server URL. Step 5. Open your OBS and go to Settings. Go to Stream and then choose the custom as the service. Step 6. Paste your stream key and server URL into the corresponding field. Step 7. Set up your scene, camera, mic, and overlays in OBS, and then click Start Streaming. Your TikTok live should begin within seconds after you do those steps. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.